Welcome to IdeaStream, where ideas flow, creativity grows, and today we unlock the real power of AI prompts. An AI prompt is simply the instruction you give to an AI. Your words guide the machine to create, explain, or imagine something. AI doesn't think like humans. It looks for patterns in your words and tries to match them with what it has learned from millions of examples. The clearer your prompt, the better the AI understands what you want. Specific instructions lead to specific results. Instead of saying write a story, try write a short mystery story for kids with a funny twist at the end. That guides the AI much better. Always give context. Tell the AI who you are, what you want, who the audience is, and what the final result should look like. Whether you want formal, funny, simple, or expert level language, mention the style. AI follows your tone. Big tasks confuse the AI, split them into smaller prompts. Step by step gives cleaner results. You can ask AI to rewrite, expand, simplify, or refine. AI gets better with feedback from you. The best prompts come from testing different versions. Don't hesitate to tweak and try again. To get the best results from AI, be clear, give context, choose your style, break tasks into steps, and refine until it's perfect. Thanks for watching IdeaStream. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more simple videos that make learning smarter.